Hello everyone, Chinese Grammar 5 Stars. This is 中文同学笔记 Video note of Drone's Eye View of Chinese Grammar Introductory 1. Actually, the first video and this video, along with the third video, are of introductory overview of the 5 stars of Chinese grammar. We came to know that the Chinese grammar is composed of 5 stars. As we are talking about the Chinese grammar, it is desirable for us to use the original grammar terminology because we inevitably encounter these terms so often, and being familiar with this glossary is helpful for us to master the grammar. I already attached the appendix page, Pulu, for these terms. You may refer to the first video. Hopefully, you may have no problem to follow along. Let us have a brief review of Chinese grammar 5 stars. First, 词类. Next, 句构. Third, 句类. And the fourth, 句型. The fifth, 变形 or 异形. We are going to consider one by one, step by step, from overview, then details, just like going into the forest. First, 词类, parts of speech. In English, generally we have 8 parts of speech, but in Chinese, 12 plus 3. Why then addressed this way? It's because some books present only 12 parts of speech, but some others present 3 more. You will see here. 中文 Chu or Chubi can be sorted by these 词类. We are going to learn all this in full length later on. Then, next 句构, sentence structure. You can see here, something like a clothesline diagram. It's going to be interesting to learn Chinese sentence structure. Take a look. Chinese sentences have primary component, 主要成本, 主语, subject, 谓语, predicate, 宾语, object. Well, not so strange to the English language speakers, right? Like this. 小明买手表. The meaning? 小明 buy a watch. This is, so to speak, the skeleton or backbone of the Chinese sentence. But there must be ligaments and fleshes for the body to normally function. Also, well, makeup. So, the secondary components are required. What are those? Yes, modifying the whole sentence 副词语 adverbial phrase. Next, 定语 attribute. Modify the subject. Next, 状语 副词语 adverbial modifier as the wording shows, describing the condition or situation. And the 状语 is composed of some other parts such as 副词 adverb 助动词或者能源动词 auxiliary verb modal verb. Next, prepositional phrase 介词介词句 After this, not so often but can come again, another 副词 but that we'll discuss separately. Another 副词 right? These are placed before wavy. Modify the predicate, determining the condition of action beforehand. Then comes what? Yes, wavy predicate. After predicate comes buoy, complement. Please take note that Chinese sentence complements come after the predicate. Verb or adjective appear to be similar to English, but there is a big difference between English and Chinese language, as we speak, complementing the meaning of the predicate, not like English, in which the complements are complementing the subject or the object. You may notice that this is given a diamond sign. Why? Maybe this is the diamond of Chinese language grammar, I would say. So particular. And also, they are changing their places in the sentences from time to time. Next again comes 定语, modify the object. Period. Are these all? Sorry, don't be mistaken. Actually, a little more are required. These names may not be called components, so I give these the title elements. Yes, these should not be belittled in relating the grammar of Chinese language. What are they? Yes, the third element, 助词 动态助词 aspect particle. Next, 语气助词 mood particle. 动态助词 dictates primarily English term tenses, so little different. And 语气助词 dictates kinds of sentence or mood of the sentences. Let us make a sentence with all these factors. For example, 小明买手表, meaning 小明 buy a watch, on its skeleton, 主要场馆, right? But this can be all. You see, when 明天 tomorrow, right? Xiaoming is so handsome. Thus modifying the subject, Xiaoming, with the words 很帅的, 很帅的. Now adverbial phrases. The following order. First, 副词, 助动词, 介词. Sometimes again, another 副词 follows. This is exceptional, as here. We see 肯定, certainly, 会, will, 为了给听听. In order to give tinting, maybe there is something good. Up to here, describing conditions before the action, right? 肯定会为了给听听. So, 明天很帅的小明肯定会为了给听听买手表. Into English, tomorrow the handsome Xiaoming will buy a watch. Will buy a watch in order to give tinting. Right? Here you may find the difference of position of the prepositional phrase 介词. Now, let us check after the verb or action followed by other components and elements. 补语 complementing the verb. 的起买得起. 得起 meaning can afford or be able to. So, be able to buy, 买得起. In this sentence, no 动态助词 is used. Next, another thingy, modifying the object. 一块太贵的手表. 一块太贵的手表. Lastly, one more 助词 which is 助词 no, usually questioning, but here meaning confirming, assured, etc. So complete sentence. 明天很帅的小明肯定会为了给听听买得起一块太贵的手表呢. Meaning like, tomorrow the handsome Xiaoming will surely be able to buy an expensive watch to give Ting. Please take note of the different positioning of the words. Now, let us see one more time how the sentence is composed of one component after another, word after word, until it is to be a complete sentence. Main components, the basic sentence, 主语, 谓语, 宾语, right? Subject, predicate, here verb, then object. 看看吧。 小明买手表, right? Then what? 定语 modifying 主语 here. 小明 the subject is 小明 is 很帅的 very handsome. 很帅的 very handsome. So, shall we read it again? 很帅的小明买手表. Good. Now the adverbial word modifying the whole sentence. 明天 tomorrow. So auxiliary verb 会 will or shall comes together. Right? Could you read it again? 明天很帅的小明会买手表. Next, add adverb 肯定 meaning certainly. Could you read it again? Yes, 明天很帅的小明肯定会买手表. Again complicated, right? For what purpose? 句句 prepositional phrase. 为了给婷婷 to give 婷婷 very good. Yeah, something is going on, right? Could you read it again? 明天很帅的小明肯定会为了给婷婷买手表. Wonderful. We are almost here. Almost there. Well, does he have enough money? So by 补语 complementing meaning can afford or able to 得其 Oh, sorry. Modifying object, another thingy, right? Yeah, another thingy. 一块太贵了 very expensive. Maybe Rolex or something. Here, could you read again? 明天很帅的小明肯定会为了给婷婷买一块太贵的手表. Yeah. Does he have enough money? Let's see. Complementing the verb 买 补语 meaning 得其 meaning able to or can afford 买得起. Now, shall we read it again? 明天很帅的小明肯定会为了给婷婷买得起一块太贵的手表. Is it so? Could be. But adding some good feeling or tone. No. Yes. No can be used for questioning, but here confirming or meaning surely. Later we are going to analyze this more precisely. Today we could briefly examine the parts of speech 之类 and the sentence structure 句构 with the sample sentence. right? Find it here. What do you think of it? Also, refer to the appendix for grammar terminology. In the next video, we are going to discuss the next task, 句类 kinds of sentence, 句型 types of sentence. You may well anticipate them. This is Chinese Grammar 5 Stars 中文同学笔记. My name is Ming Wu. 再见。